My name is Shelby, and today we're going to talk about the all-in-one LED light therapy device designed to manage a variety of pain and skin conditions. Cleared by the FDA for pain management and skincare, Photons use light energy to manage and improve cellular health by accelerating the repair and replenishment of compromised tissue cells. It is stand-free, hands-free, flexible, lightweight, and portable. The new Photons Light Therapy Pad can be used anywhere on the body, including the face, inspired by light, proved by science. Light therapy improves cellular health to reduce the signs of aging, relieves pain, and eliminates acne, treating existing blemishes and minimizes future breakouts. It relieves arthritis pain, muscle pain, and stiffness with light therapy, one pair of protective eye goggles and one international adapter included.